Hey guys, Drago here. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create a YouTube channel. So first, you have to go to create or post video, and it might say upload a video. And so, just wait for this to load. When it shows this, you have to press select files, and you have to create see, you can these are all videos. If I click on it and I say open, then it's gonna you just have to do the title of the video, what do you want it to do, then the description, I'm not gonna be. And then you have to do yes, it's made for kids. Then you can just skip this part. You don't need it. Visibility, you need to put it on public, and then you just press publish. I'm gonna delete this video because it's not an actual video. Oh, I was on with my brother. They're not able to save my video, but that's how you do it. So yeah, if you want to start a YouTube channel, just do what I did.
And are you doing Timberlands?
And yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day.
Okay.
I'm out. Peace. No, not peace yet. I'm out. Peace.